What is up, guys? Today we're changing the cabin air filter on this 2018 Honda Accord. I went ahead and skipped the video where I was removing some things because this is customer personal stuff. I don't want to show them. It's bad business for me if I do. This one, there's a lever over here. Let me get my light. This would look like this. So there's there's a lever here. Right. There's a lever here, so I think do this and you take it out, and then push this, press that, and it comes out. And over there, that's where the cabin air filter cover is. Looks like this. And you can take the cabin air filter out and see how disgusting it is. But one thing we're going to be really paying close attention to is the direction of the airflow. You're going to keep it like this. So airflow is down, assuming whoever put it knows how to put it. So you guys can see it's pointing downwards, same way this one is. So that's exactly how we're going to be putting it. Oh, there we go. Airflow pointing downwards, airflow pointing downwards, and it's made in Poland. Shout out to Poland. Maybe I'll find the love of my life in Poland. I don't know. I don't know if this went all the way in, honestly. Is this the same dimensions as this? It's a bit freaking longer, but I'm pretty sure. That's kind of weird though. It's not supposed to be like this. Oh, this doesn't matter as long as it's okay. Yeah, that makes sense. So the airflow sign is on the side actually, so it's supposed to be like this. As long as it's pointing downwards, you just install it like this because it's not a perfect square. It's actually a rectangle. Now we can put clicked. And it clicked. Can't take them off. Great. Okay. Now. Great. Gonna go ahead and put the customer's personal stuff inside, but that was it. It's really easy actually. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.